हेलो एंड वेलकम टू द डेली निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी इनसाइट्स विद एमजे। आज है 14 सितंबर एंड विल बी एस्टिमेटिंग द प्रोबेबल मूव्स, रेजिस्टेंस एंड सपोर्ट लेवल्स एंड बाइंग एंड सेलिंग जोन्स इन निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी फॉर द नेक्स्ट ट्रेडिंग डे, जो कि पड़ता है 15 सितंबर को। राइट, अगर आप हमारे यूट्यूब में नए हैं, प्लीज लाइक एंड शेयर इट। ऑल्सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू press the bell icon along with subscribing the channel such that you can always get latest videos. Also be generous to share with others. Now, if you look at the daily chart of Nifty and Bank Nifty, you could see that both opened with a gap up. There was a bullish bias in the morning, and at higher level, there was a profit booking. And that profit booking at certain level was fine, but looking at the kind of movement, what was happening in the market, bears started, creating a short positions, and that, took the market down. Nifty closed at 11,440 with a net loss of 24 points, while the Bank Nifty lost 379 points and closed at 22,101. Overall market breadth remained negative. Only 17 stocks advanced, while 33 stocks declined from the stack of Nifty 50. In our previous analysis, we had estimated a range of 11,300 to 11,600 for Nifty and 22,000 to 22,821 for Bank Nifty based upon the previous data and technical analysis. Nifty and Bank Nifty today traded well within the range and respected almost all the support and resistance levels. If we look at a trend, Nifty made a higher high and lower low. Same way, Bank Nifty also made higher high and lower low. That's called out candle. And this is a kind of pattern which is prompting the market to consolidate. Anyway, Nifty and Bank Nifty were consolidating in one range, although Bank Nifty seems to have broken the previous low, while as Nifty still is, at trading at a higher levels. So you can clearly see Nifty is heading towards consolidation, while as Bank Nifty is still heading for some more correction, unless and until it comes in this above this trend line, right? So both of them are moving in a ascending channel. However, this ascending channel has been respected by Bank Nifty, while as Bank Nifty has already broken it 2 times. There were 2 channels, and Bank Nifty has broken one on 4th September and another one on 1st September. So looks like some more bearish moves are due in Nifty and Bank Nifty. If we look at price action perspective in Nifty on a lower side, we can see that 11,418, 11,384, 11,363, 11,336 and 11,298 are prominent support levels for Nifty. On the upper side, you could see that 11,448, 11,493, 11,540 and 11,565, which is today's high, are resistance levels for Nifty. So from here, we can see the trading range which is emerging on price action basis is 11,298 to 11,565. Similarly, in a Bank Nifty on the lower side, we can see 22,000 as a support, 22,030. 21,917 as a support, then 21,070 as a support, 21,701 as a support. And on the resistance side, you can see that 22,206, 22,440, 450, 22,625 are emerging as a resistance levels for Bank Nifty. Let's go to the 15-minute chart in Nifty and find out how you can see the trading opportunities in Nifty. Now, this range from 11,418 to 11,448 is a no trading zone. If market opens within this zone and has a bullish bias, and if it crosses 11,450, you can take a long position for 11,493. That means it will give you around 40-45 points target, not bad. And at this level, in this particular zone, watch out if you get a continuation pattern or bullish bias here, and your trading strategy is giving you continuing long, then your next target should be 11,540 or 11,565. At these levels, you would see the profit booking will still continue, so dragging down Nifty downside. Now, if Nifty opens within this yellow zone and goes below 11,418, then you can create a short position. 11,384 would be your target. That's again around 35-40 points. Risk reward ratio may not be that good, so you can avoid that trade. But 11,384 and below, wherein you can see that there is a accumulation zone. In this zone, possibly you may get a reversal, or you will have to watch out for continuation patterns, bearish continuation patterns, such that you can trade on a shorter side for the target of 11,336. And if the market comes to 11,336, it might prompt the Nifty to fill up this gap, this bullish gap or novice gap, which is dated 9th September, 10th September, right? So most of the time, अगर आप देखेंगे, novice gaps, Nifty and Bank Nifty both keep on filling. Like today's novice gap was filled up today itself, but this novice gap is left out, right? So शायद ये कल fill हो जाए अगर market में मंदी रहेगी तो. And at 11,300, definitely you should book all your short positions in all short positions, and expect some kind of bounce back at this level, which might be a 50% retracement at least. So you can initiate your long positions there, right? So that's how you can trade Nifty. Let's look at what kind of opportunities you can see in Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty, it's a more of a movement towards downside. If Bank Nifty opens gap up in any of these distribution zones, you can initiate a short position immediately. But if Bank Nifty opens above this trend line, let's say above 22,300, then possibly you will get a long opportunity for 22,450. So that's around 150 points target, which is having a good risk to reward ratio. And at 22,450, watch out whether you get a reversal here. If reversal, book your profit and initiate short position. If you get a continuation pattern here and your volumes are rising and you get any kind of strategy which says the market is going to be bullish, then 22,625 should be your next target, wherein you should book all the profits, because here you would see profit booking will happen and some or other kind of retracement towards 22,300 would happen. Now, if market starts with a bearish bias and below 22,038, so let's say below 22,000, then you can initiate your short position, and your immediate target should be let me 1 minute. Yeah, so your immediate target would be 1,913, and at 21,913 you should watch out whether short continues. If the short position selling pressure continues at this level, then 21,701 should be your next target. I think at that level you will get a very strong support. So booking all your profit in all your short position would be quite advisable at that place, and maybe initiating long if market reverses could be a wise decision at that level. So on a intraday, that's how you can trade Bank Nifty. Now let's look at what's happening in the international market before we get into the data analysis mode and find out what kind of positions participants have taken up. So today's move in Dow Jones had been bullish, though Friday it made a spinning top and there was a lot of bearish pressure. आज थोड़ा ये market में positive sentiments बन रहे हैं, although RSI is sideways, so this may not be a reversal, but it may be some bounce back, right? Let's also look at what is happening in Nasdaq. These are the markets today, in recent times driving our markets. in absence of domestic data. In fact, we are taking up cues from international markets. So Nasdaq also seems to be having selling pressure, although it's a green candlestick, and the bounce is coming at 61% Fibonacci level from this low, right? This low from here to here. So that also seems to be kind of consolidating, and there is a bearish pressure. Let's say S&P 500, what is happening? In S&P 500 also is in the same mode. It's trying to enter the ascending channel, but the selling pressure at higher level, you could see that wick is there, right? So we'll have to watch out until what happens in the morning, because RSI is not showing any strength, nor even MACD is showing any strength in S&P 500, right? So let's look at what is happening on data front, such that we can see how positions have been built up by bulls and bears on Nifty, right? So now if we look at Nifty, since market has closed at 11,440, we would say that 11,450 would act as our uh, at the money, right? So this is our at the money, right? So this is our at the money, and at the below than this, we would see the positions which have been created by uh, bulls. So at 11,400, you can see 1.7 million contracts. So that shows your support level one. 11,300, you can see there is some unwinding at these levels. So that shows that the bulls have lost a little confidence in market today. But 11,300 is support 2, and although not much built up has been created today, little bit below than that, 11,200, you can see that only 2 lakh contracts have been created by bulls today, and overall open interest is 1.9 million. That will work as a support 3, and if the support 3 is broken, then you would see 11,000 is straight the next level, where you can see that 4 lakh contracts have been created. Overall 2.0 million contracts are existing. So in total आज की जो ऑब्जर्वेशन है उसमें बहुत ज्यादा पुट राइटिंग नहीं दिखाई दे रही है, ऑल्दो पुट राइटिंग 11,500 11,550 में दिख रही, but only 2 lakhs 1.5 lakhs, not a very encouraging sign by bulls. Now on the call side, if we see that on call side at 11,400, although 11,440 में मार्केट क्लोज हुई है, 40 पॉइंट्स नीचे भी आज कॉल राइटिंग हुई है. दैट मींस bears are very active today, and at that level you can see that 1.2 million contracts, so that will work as R1 if market goes below 11,400. 11,450 may be a good open interest of 8 lakh contracts, and 11,500 you could see 2.6 million. So this is going to be the final resistance, right? Above than that, you can see at 11,550 1 million fresh contracts, overall 1.8 million contracts, and at 11,600 2.5 million contracts overall open interest, while as 1 million contracts have been created. So market is, or rather bears are decided that they will not allow market to go above 11,600 tomorrow, right? So I can say that 11,200 to 11,600 is roughly my trading range for tomorrow from the option chain. Now going back to the chart and looking at some other data, today's provisional data shows that FIIs were net buyers with a small amount of 298 crore in cash market in equities, while as DIIs were minus 120 crore. And I mean, more or less, it's a neutral business looking at the size of FIIs and DIIs. RSI remains at 55. On Friday, it was 56. India, which today increased by 2.3%, while as on Friday it decreased by 2.5. So जो Friday को थोड़ा confidence built हो रहा था, वो आज market से निकल गया. Market on a daily chart is on overbought zone, wherein stochastics is at 4. So some more consolidation you can expect looking at these indicators. At higher levels, we might again witness some profit booking. So range bound consolidation with volatility is expected. अगर मार्केट 11,585 के ऊपर जाती है, then you can see 11,800 or 11,750 as your next target. But if market slips below 11,250, then 11,000 is our next target. And that is also visible from option chain क्योंकि 11,000 पे सबसे ज्यादा open interest है, right? So based upon the price action as well as option chain, we can say 11,200 to 11,600 is a trading range for Nifty, and for Bank Nifty, 21,700 to 22,625. Market may remain volatile in coming week, in this week, due to new SEBI directive, be it new margin money rules, or be it reorganizing multi-cap funds, or rather restructuring of that, wherein they are supposed to be adding small cap and mid cap 25% each. So apart from that, Indo-China border issue will also govern the volatility or the fear in the market. For intraday traders, it's important that they should keep on looking at fresh data from option chain as well as open interest of futures and India VIX as well as USD INR charts. Of course, it will help to if you are watching out international markets, especially Dow Jones 50, rather Dow Jones Industrial or US 30. All right, so this will give you a kind of overall emotional built up in the market. I hope this analysis is helping you to become a profitable traders and you are trading with confidently. Always use stop loss and trailing stop loss. If you are in profit, keep on booking the profits. Partly means in some of the quantities, keep on booking the profits. By booking profits, nobody has ever become poorer. Thank you very much for watching the video. To get the latest information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. There are plenty of videos here which you can watch to learn stock market, to learn various techniques, to understand the market, to understand entry or exit or fundamental analysis or IPO, or how to trade like a professional, or data analysis. So these videos have been particularly created for you, friends. Take advantage of it and learn it well before you start making it big in the stock market. To learn stocks, derivatives, commodities, forex trading, anything of your interest in the stock market, you can request for the videos in the comment box, which we would try to create in future on your request. Thank you once again for watching and liking the video. Please share the video with your friends and concerned trading communities who can also be benefited from quality knowledge and analysis. Signing off till the next video. Good luck, happy trading, happy investing.